Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing crochet tutorial. In this video, we're going to be crocheting this beautiful hairband. For this tutorial, you need an elastic band. We're starting with a slip knot. This is the tail of your yarn. This longer end is your working yarn. Wrap around these two fingers. You have a circle. Go back into the circle with your working yarn and pull through. With your hook, go into the circle. Pull your working yarn to fit the size of your hook. With your elastic band, you're going to place your band on your work like this, with one loop on your hook, holding your yarn tail. You're going to go into the band, yarn over, and pull through. You have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the two loops, and this is a single crochet. We're going to mark the first single crochet with our stitch marker. We're going to work a total of 12 single crochet around our elastic band. Yarn over, we are working alongside our yarn tail. Pull up a loop. We have two loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all two loops. Repeat till you have a total of 12 single crochet around your band. If there are spaces between your stitches, you can just pull them closer. This is what we have for the first row, 12 double crochet stitches. Now we are going to begin the stitch for this hairband. Chain 1, turn your work into the first stitch. You're going to go into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through. You have two loops on your hook. You're going to pull the first loop through the second loop, which is called a slip stitch. Into the second stitch, we're going to work a half double crochet, yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. We're going to alternate between these 2 stitches. Into the next stitch, you work a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop through the second. Into the next stitch, work a half double crochet. Alternate between these 2 stitches till you're at the end of the row. We are on the last stitch. Take out your stitch marker and work a half double crochet. This is what the second row looks like. For the third row, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to repeat this pattern, starting with a slip stitch and following with a half double crochet. You also need to keep your stitches a little loose so it's not hard to work into. Also, while crocheting, you should count, because at the beginning of the row, we started with 12 single crochet, so it's best to count so you don't miss any stitch. Make sure you have a total of 12 stitches on every row. The last stitch of every row might look invisible, but it's right there. Please try not to skip your last stitches and also count to make sure you have the correct number of stitches. This is what our work is looking like. To begin every new row, chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to repeat this pattern till you have the length of your hairband. You're going to go rows and rows till you have your desired length. This is how my hairband looks so far. At the end of your last row, the next row is going to be a single crochet. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we're placing a single crochet into every single stitch. Into the first stitch, place a single crochet and a single crochet across till the last stitch. After your last stitch, chain 1, turn your work. We are going to be joining this end to the other end of our elastic band. You're going to place your elastic band on your work, go into the first stitch and under the elastic, pull through and work a single crochet. Into the stitch, under your elastic band. After your last stitch, you're going to chain 1, leave a little tail of yarn, grab your scissors and cut off. Pull up the loop on your hook and tighten up. You can gently adjust the stitches on your work. Turn your work to the right part, and this is what we have. Finally, we are going to sew these ends into our work. Using your yarn needle, you're going to thread your yarn needle, and we are hiding these tail ends into our work like this, going into the top of some stitches, just the surface stitches. Pull, after doing this a couple times, you can decide to cut off, and this secures your work properly. Repeat for every other loose end you may have. This is the final result of our hairband. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this tutorial was easy for you to understand. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this hairband in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.